Yes, sir. OMampintsha. No, not the big Nas. I'm talking about the match just one pinch of scenery gaming. Suddenly they feel like Magakuluma no me hippie nonsense. Yeah. I see you. I see you cloud and it's covered by jealousy. Flow 6-7 the best. I salute you, G. Dalagin Bog and Jagger to Lagin Tunos. So now allow me to go ham Jagger Guno. But full of wasted demonic, but I'm not the same as before. I'm a child of God, I'm now blameless. Fulum law, man, stop talking with your anus. I'm representing about that my tracks are now famous. Is this the thanks that I get? Talking about how my back and it disrespect, huh? These faggots get bodied, welcome to my mock. I'm Johnny Furniture, but I still make the town talk. It's depending on my hypocrites and politics, kids fighting over the crown that doesn't even exist. But in King, I Johnny and Siami, it's cause of rock crowd. No, which I'm a natural one born leader, we are all scouts. It's a land and a character, you don't have it. That's why I'm a 9 to 5 to support your rapping habits. Someone said I rap for dumb people. This thing is begging for votes on my fame page from my people. That's a female dog move. They type it with my social networks, that's on my compliments like how women love schools. The little hype is about to expire. Who Twitter you dig right so much, such a amount of things better. No wet, that's your time zone. Mentioning my name on your track to keep the buzz on. They just cause I'm a line Zami, Ginshi and Selling Banga while I keep making hits like a me no purchase selling line. Difference is you got fans, I got believers. Peter lazy, you like Julius Malame, I'm like Jesus, huh? These dudes want beef over everything. It's heavy in the D for these boys, no candy rain. By introducing these new kids to silence me, I only subliminal this, but no champ can challenge me. And I ain't never scared, I never go 50-50. And on these streets I got more eyes than Mississippi. From tape to tape, from compilation to compilation, I kill it, but dudes still gon' hate. Usugel umbhayim bhayo, kasugela my breaks. With million powers of Kandakandas and Safaza my fakes. Talk about you hustlers, we pick account with 20 bus fare money, but all my allowance from the mothers. But me now today, Santa's alcohol so you can't touch. I'm a kick my nigga, I zella like a next match. Me no want the pitch and friendship. But how many do the other one trying to duplicate the same ish? I made him a DJ and they all did it. Started doing my dance on stage and they all did it. Speaking of a dance, that's the only thing about complaining guy you got me every time they get a chance. You love to hate me, yet you hate to love me. There's nothing you can do, there's too many angels above me. I really cause a god. When in Instagram, I didn't wanna go Facebook, now go tweet and pretend that I'm not. All I choose, I'm a keep bizarre in high top sneakers. They don't be bizarre in picture, I got my bandit to get figures. Bonking about Fuga, I'm about Shelly, I'm a copycat. So many JCs, no many J calls, I'm a baggy pants. I'm a boost on my cuckoo, look to change the game. You learn him couple of my names on my shows, but change the name. I'm the best to ever do it. Roger Moore, no más en bad things of Angana, Joshua Dog. I'm still a sex symbol. If you think this song is talking to you, wait until they hear the sequel. I'm out. Blaze over bag. Back to Mungula. I keep on my rhyme page, I'm a Blackberries, I'm full of type on my memo page. I'm full of type on my lyrics. Go on Facebook, but this status guy, man, they're gonna like it. Tweet and gone, you could have been so retweet and gone. Talk about me over drink, over coffee, or a shower and gizzard. Faggot. Thank me for saving a relationship. I'm always the topic, right? But I don't give a...
That was my little joke. I have a notoriously dry sense of humor. All right, here's how it's gonna work. If you make my life difficult, I will make your life exponentially more painful. If you have a complaint, if you have comments or suggestions, please write a letter to my office. Just make sure that under return address, you write the word asshole so that my head guard can assist you in pulling your cheeks apart and sticking it up your asshole. Come on, that was funny.